Hello, I'm Andre M. Lazo, and I'll be discussing what I have learned in constant integration and definite integral. Let me give you some information about constant integration. Constant integration is the constant c added to the result of the integration. The constant integration is used to represent the term of the original expression, which cannot be obtained from the antiderivative of the function. Alright, here's the example that I made of constant integration. An equation dy over dx equals 8x cubed plus 6 that has a point P with a value of 1 and 5 on its curve. Find the constant of integration. We have dy over dx equals 8x cubed plus 6, which is the equation. And we will move lalagyan natin ng dx dun sa kabila na equation, kaya magiging dy equals the integral of 8x cubed plus 6 dx. Itong sunod na i-integrate natin at magiging y equals 8x raised to 4 divided by 4 plus 6x plus c. Kaya naging x raised to 4 divided by 4 itong first term dahil parang ginamit ang x raised to n ginamit ang finding of it's like simple power rule that x raised to n equals xn plus 1 over n plus 1. It turned out like this, and that's why we have x raised to 4 divided by 4. At ito namang 6 ay kaya naging 6x dahil kapag dinerivative natin ng 6x, magiging 6. Ito. And yun, plus c. Pagkatapos nun, i-cancel i-divide natin itong 8 to 4, which turn out this y equals 2x raised to 4 plus 6x plus c. Since nakuha na natin ang unang step, pagkuha ng y, i-distribute na natin ang value of x and y, which is x equals 1, y equals 5. And that is 5 equals 2 times 1 raised to 4 plus 6 times 1 plus c. Yung 1 raised to 4 equals 1, or in a simple way, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1, which ang result ay ang 2. Ganun din sa 6. 6 times 1 equals 6. Then, kakapil lang natin yung c. Ito rin 5. Ipa-plus natin itong 6 plus 2. Magiging 8. Baba yung c. Ililipat natin itong 8 para makuha natin yung value ng c. And since nilipat natin sa kabila yung 8, magiging negative. Kaya negative 8 plus 5 equals C. And it turned out negative 3 equals C. We will now distribute the value of C, which is into this equation. Y equals 2x 4 plus 6x plus C. And now we put the value of C, which is y equals 2x raised to 4 plus 6x minus 3. Now let's move on to the next example. Find the constant of integration of the equation dy over dx equals cube root 2x cube root 2x squared plus 8, which has a point P with the value of 1 and 4 on its curve. We have here the equation mali ang aking lagay. dy over dx equals cube root 2x squared plus 8. Just like a while ago rather, nilagay natin tong dx dito. Kaya magiging dy equals integral of cube root 2x squared plus 8 dx. At since naka-cube root yun, kailangan nating gawing raised to a fraction, the cube root. Kaya magiging dy equals integral of dx raised to 2 halves at 2 over 3 plus 8 dx. And now we will gagawin na natin, pa-plus na natin itong 2 over 3 na plus 1 na ang nagresulta ay 5 over 3 at ganoon din sa denominator. Kaya y equals 2x raised to 5 over 3 divided by 5 over 3 plus 8x plus c. Katulad nung kanina, ang derivative ng 8x ay 8, kaya ang antiderivative ay 8x. And times natin itong dalawa. 2 times 5 over 3. And we have y equals 6 over 5 x raised to 5 over 3 plus 8x plus c. Since nakuha na natin yung value ng y, didistribute na natin yung value of x and y, which is y and 4. Dewa, 4 equals 6 over 5 times 1. Ba't walang ano yun? Raised to 5 over 3 plus 8 times 1 plus c. Katulad na kanina, pag tinimes natin sa sarili ang 1 raised to 5 over 3, sagot ay 1. At kapag itinimes naman sa 6 over 5 ay 6 over 5 pa rin. At pinanas dito sa 8 dahil ang makukuha natin dito ay 8 since 1 times 8 is 8. Kaya ito ang sagot natin. 46 over 5 plus c, bababa lang natin. Tapos inilipat natin yung 46 over 5 sa kabila, magiging negative. At ibaan lang natin yung c. Negative 46 over 5 plus 4 is equals to negative 26 over 5 equals c. Nakuha na natin ang value ng c, kaya i-distribute na natin sa nakuha nating value sa y. At yun ay y equals 6 over 5 times 5 over 3 plus 8x minus 26 over 5. At since naka-raise itong naka-fraction yung ating x, gagawin nating radical. Kaya magiging y equals 6 over 5 cube root of x raised to 5 plus 8x minus 26 over 5. And that's all. Thank you. In this video, I'll be discussing what I learned in definite integral. Let's start with the example number 1 that I made. Oh, before that, I should tell you the difference between definite integral and indefinite. In indefinite integral, we have limit of integration, and that is high limit b and low limit a. Here, low limit a. And f of x stands for integrand, and dx is the value of integration. This symbol represents the integral, which this symbol and these two, the limit of integration, indefinite doesn't have. Now let's go back to my example. We have here integral of x raised to 5 dx evaluating from 2 to 4 equals x raised to 6 divided by 6 evaluating from 2 to 4. Kaya ito nangyari, kaya naging x raised to 6 over 6 ay dahil ginamit itong rule. Hindi ko alam kung ito talaga yung ginagamit, pero parang ito yung nangyayari bago maging ganito. Kasi dadagdagan yung kung ano yung naging result ng exponent, yun ang value niya sa denominator. Tulad na ring x raised to 5, ginawang ganito, kaya naging x raised to 6 plus 6. And since nandito na, nakuha na natin yung integral, substitute natin itong 4 sa x, which this 4 raised to 6 divided by 6 minus ito namang 2 nasa baba, i-distribute natin dito sa x, magiging 2 raised to 6 over 6. 2 raised to 6 equals 4,096 over 6 minus 2 raised to 6 equals 64 divided by 6. 4096 divided by 6 equals 2048. See, 2048 divided by 3 minus 64 over 6, 64 divided by 6 equals 32 over 3. And 2048 divided by 3 minus 32 over 3 equals 672. Let's move on to example number 2. We have here 10 dx. Evaluate integral of dx evaluating 3 to 5 equals 10x. The reason this is that kaya ito naging 10x dahil ang 10 dahil pag dinerivative mo ang 10x magiging 10. Kaya ito yung sagot. Kailangan i-derivative mo, anti-derivative. Evaluating from 3 to 5. Since nakuha na natin yung derivative, i-distribute natin yung 5 sa x. Kaya magiging 10 times 5 minus 8 yun. Manyan lang. Magiging 30. Magiging 20. Yan. So, inilagay na natin itong 3 dito sa x. Kaya naging 10 times 3. And 10 times 5 equals 30. 50 rather. 10 times 5 equals 50. 10 times 3 equals 30. Subtracting equals 20. 50 minus 30 equals 20. That is the definite integral. And now I make an additional example because I feel I'm not satisfied within these two simple question solving. Ganon din sa mga nauna. Find the definite integral. We have here the integral of 4x squared minus 2x plus 3 dx evaluating from 2 to 3. Katulad ng mga nauna, katulad ng unang examples, derivative ng 4x squared ay ito, 4x cubed divided by 3 minus 2x squared minus from 2x to 2x squared divided by 2 plus 3x, but 2x, sorry. Derivative of, antiderivative of x3. Evaluating from 2 to 3. Isi-substitute na natin yung 3 sa x. 4 times 3 raised to 3 divided by 3 minus 2 times 2 times 3 divided by 2 over 2 plus 3 times 3 minus, substitute naman natin itong 2 sa x. 4 times x raised to 3 divided by 3 minus 2 times 2 raised to 2 divided by 2 plus 3 times 2. And we have here 3 raised to 3 at 3 cube equals 27. 4 times 27 over 3 minus 3 times 3 or 3 squared equals 9. 2 times 9 over 2 plus 9 from 3 times 3 equals 9 minus 4 times 8 over 3 from 2 cube minus 2 squared equals 4, which means 2 times 4 over 2 and plus 6 from 3 times 2. 4 times 27 equals 108 divided by 3 equals 36, and 2 times 9 equals 18 divided by 2, which is 9 plus 9, baba natin, and 4 times 8 equals 28 divided by 3 equals 32 over 3. Oh, sorry. I mean 32 over 3. Kaya naging ganito. And 2 times 4 equals 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Iba natin yung negative. And 6, ayan, iba din natin. Kaya negative 9 plus 9 equals 0. Kaya ibababa na lang natin ito. 36. And ito ibabaan din natin. And negative 4 plus 6 equals 2. Tapos, i-plus natin dito. Plus. Naging 38. Tapos, ibababa lang natin itong 32 over 3 dito sa baba. 38 minus 32 over 3 equals 82 over 3. And that's all. Thank you for watching.